In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a PDF using Pandadoc. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to using Pandadoc, editing a PDF is a straightforward task that can greatly enhance your document management capabilities. Let's get started. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to Pandadoc's website. Once there, you'll want to log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, it's quick and easy to sign up for one. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. This intuitive interface is where you'll manage all your document needs. Next, look for the Create New button on your dashboard. Click on it to start the process of uploading your PDF. This begins the journey of transforming your static PDF into a dynamic document that can include interactive fields, text additions, and more. After clicking Create New, you'll see an option to Select Files. Click on this button, which will prompt you to navigate through your computer files. Find the PDF you want to edit, select it, and upload it to Pandadoc. It's important to ensure that the PDF you choose is the final version for editing, particularly if it's a document you plan to distribute or send out for signatures. Once your file is uploaded, Pandadoc will open the PDF in their Editing tab. This is where the magic happens. You'll notice a range of editing tools at your disposal. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these options. They're your keys for unlocking the full potential of your document. If your PDF needs additional fields, such as signature boxes, dates, or texts, now's the time to add them. Simply navigate to the toolbar, find the appropriate field type, and drag and drop it into your document where it fits best. This can be especially useful for contracts or any documents requiring client interactions. Remember, if you make an error or change your mind about any modifications, Pandadoc's edit options allow you to undo and adjust your changes with ease. Experiment with different fields until you achieve the right setup for your needs. Take a moment to review the document once all necessary fields have been added. Ensure everything is in the correct place and that all fields required for interaction are present. And there you have it. Your PDF is now fully editable and customized to your specific requirements. By following these steps, you'll efficiently manage and alter documents in Pandadoc, enhancing how you handle digital paperwork. As always, feel free to save and export your document for immediate use, or keep it in Pandadoc's secure online environment for future edits. Thanks for watching, and enjoy editing your PDFs like a pro. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out or explore more of Pandadoc's features through their helpful guides and support.